Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block fraudulent customers in Shopify. There are many ways to block or blacklist the problematic customers. In this video, we will show you how to block one or more customers using a single customer tag. To do that, click on the Customers menu. Then choose the customer. Go to the Tags section, add the tag, and click Save. Now open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the customer tags condition. So first, we'll search for customer tags in the search bar. Then we'll select the rule type where this condition is available, Essential 1 or Essential 2. If a condition is available in both types, you can select either one. For this video, we will choose the Essential 1, select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Customer Tags. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the search option. For this example, we choose If Found and enter the customer tag Fraud. You can add more than one tag using commas. Here we add one tag called Fraud. Now any customer with the fraud tag will be blocked from placing an order. Now we will add a proper error message for the customers like checkout is unavailable right now. Please contact support for help. You may see this Add Translation button if your store supports multiple languages. When you click on Add Translation, you can add translations of the error message for all the languages that are active in your store. So customers will see the error message in their selected language. After that, you'll find the Advanced Settings section here, which we don't need for this video. Additionally, you can review the Summary section at the top right. By taking a quick look at it, we can easily understand how this rule works. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. Currently, the email we see at checkout isn't tagged as fraud, so no error message appears and the customer can place the order. Now we'll add the product to the cart again, then we'll enter the fraud-tagged customer's email in the checkout email field and try placing the order again. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. Customers will still be able to click the Pay button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's try to click on the Pay button at the bottom and see what happens. As you can see, it's not working, and we cannot place the order anymore as long as the error message is visible on the checkout page. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!